Hello everyone, today our topic is how to get WhatsApp notification on receiving ScoreApp quiz submission. So here my objective is that whenever a user submit a quiz in ScoreApp, then we want to capture the details of that quiz and we want to use these details to send a notification message on our WhatsApp number. For that, we are going to use WhatsApp Cloud API, and for sending this message, we need to create a connection between ScoreApp and WhatsApp Cloud API. For creating this connection, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing software for automation and integration. In Pabbly Connect, I'm going to use trigger and action. In trigger application, I'm going to use ScoreApp. In action application, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So how I'm going to create this integration? For that, let me take you to my computer screen. I hope all you can see my computer screen, and today we are going to see that how we can get the details of the quiz submission in ScoreApp to our WhatsApp automatically. So here, whenever we get a new submission of quiz in ScoreApp, then automatically the details of that user that has submitted the quiz will be sent to me on WhatsApp as a notification. And here for sending this message on WhatsApp, I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API, which is an official tool of Meta. And here for sending this notification message, I have to create a connection between ScoreApp and WhatsApp Cloud API. And for that, I will open a new tab and search for pabbly.com. And this will take us to this landing page of Pabbly. And here we have two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you don't have any account with Pabbly, you can just sign up for free and it will take only 2 minutes of your time and you will get 100 of tasks free every month. Or if you already have an account, you can just sign in and you will get to see this page. So these are all the apps that Pabbly offers, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect here. For that, I'm going to click here on Access Now button under Pabbly Connect, and it will take us to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here, this is the workflow section, and we can see all the workflows that we will create here. And this is the folder section. We can create new folder here, and we can save any workflow in any particular folder that we want. Now here I want to create new workflow. For that, I'm going to click here on Create Workflow button, and this window will pop up. Here I have to name my workflow, so I'm going to name it as my objective, which is to get WhatsApp notification on receiving ScoreApp quiz submission. And I'm going to select the folder where I want to save my workflow. So I'm going to open this tab and I'm going to select Home here and I will click on Create. And this will take us to this most important window of our workflow. Here we have two boxes, trigger and action. So these are the two main principles on which our workflow works on. And trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is going to be the first step that will get executed in our workflow and action will just follow that. So we need to set up our trigger first, and here my trigger application will be ScoreApp. So I'm going to select this, and now I have to give a trigger event. So I'm going to open this tab and quiz finished will be my trigger event. So I'm going to select this. And now I have to connect ScoreApp with Pabbly Connect, and for that I'm going to use this Webbook URL. So this Webbook URL is going to work as a bridge between ScoreApp and Pabbly Connect. And to connect these two accounts, I have to follow all this instruction. So first I'm going to copy this Webbook URL, and now I will go to ScoreApp, and in ScoreApp I will go to Integrate, and here I will go to Webbooks. Now I have to connect the Webbook, so I'll click here on Connect. I will first give the Webbook URL that I have copied from Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to paste it here and I will click on Save. Now that my connection is successful, I have to customize my Webbook. So in the settings, I will first give my Webbook secret key. So here I'm again going to paste my Webbook URL. Now in the tab of quiz finished, I'm going to select send. Now what this is going to do is it's going to send the details whenever a quiz is finished. So now I'm going to click on Save, and here I have set up my Webbook. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and here it is waiting for Webbook response. Now how I'm going to get this Webbook response? For that I have to submit a quiz and I have to finish a quiz. So for that I will open my quiz that I have created in ScoreApp. So this is going to be the quiz that I'm going to submit, and here I have to fill these details. So first I'm going to fill these details with the dummy details. So my first name will be demo, last name will be user, email will be demoUser@pabblytudes.com, and I will click on start, and I have these questions in my quiz, so I'm going to give any answer. So I'll click here on yes. I'm going to click on yes. So this is just an example, and when you will create a quiz, you will get all the answers and you have to customize your quiz according to you. Now we'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and here we can see we have received this new response. So the event name is quiz finished, and these are my score for the quiz. And I'm getting this score because I have not created a score based quiz. But if you want to get the scores and everything, you can create your customized quiz according to you. But here I have these details. So these were my question and I have these answers that the user has selected. And I have these details of the user. So the first name is demo, last name is user, and the email is demouser@pabblytudes.com. And we have this date and time when the quiz is submitted. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these details of the user and I'm going to get these details as a notification in my WhatsApp. So for that, I have to set up my actions tab. So I'm going to open this tab and here I'm going to use WhatsApp Cloud API. So I'm going to search for that. So here WhatsApp Cloud API will be action application. So I'm going to select this. Now I have to give an action event. So I'm going to open this tab and send template message will be my action event. So I'm going to select this. And now I will connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. So I'll click here on connect. I will click on add new connection. And to connect WhatsApp Cloud API, I have to give these details. So I need token, phone number ID, and WhatsApp business account ID. So for this, what you need to do is you need to open WhatsApp Cloud API and you have to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And you're going to find this in Meta for developers. So let me show you my account. So this is my WhatsApp Cloud API account. Here I have this app dashboard. So in this app dashboard, you will find your access token and the phone number ID and the business ID that you need to connect WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I will first need the token. So I will go back to WhatsApp Cloud API dashboard. And here I have this temporary access token. So this is a temporary access token. So what I need to do is first I'm going to refresh this. So I'm going to copy my access token. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it here. Now I have to give the phone number ID. I will go back to WhatsApp Cloud API. And here below the from number, I have this phone number ID. So I'm going to copy this. You have to make sure that you have to give the phone number ID, not your phone number. So I have copied this phone number ID. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it here. Now I need the WhatsApp business account ID. So I will go back to WhatsApp Cloud API. And here I have this WhatsApp business account ID. So I'm going to copy this. I will go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste that here. So I have filled all the details that I have required to connect WhatsApp Cloud API. So now I'm going to click on save and I have connected WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect. Now what I need is I need a template. So for that, what you need to do is you have to set up your template. So let me show you my template. Let's go to my templates. So in this message templates, you will find all the templates that you have in your WhatsApp Cloud API account. And here what you need to do is you need to create your own template. You have to first take the approval from Meta for your template so that you can send message on WhatsApp. So let me show you my template. So this is my template message. Hello, this user has submitted the quiz and the details are full name, email. And in the full name and email, I have set up my variables. So these details are going to change according to the submission of the quiz that I'm getting from ScoreApp. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here I have to select my template. So for selecting the template, you have to open this tab. And in this tab, you will find all the templates that are connected with your WhatsApp Cloud account. And I'm going to use this ScoreApp quiz. So I'm going to select this. And my language code is EN, which is the code for English language. And my template ID is already selected here. Now what I need to give is, I need to give a recipient mobile number. And in this, what I need to do is, I need to give my number so that I can receive the WhatsApp messages whenever I get a new quiz submission. So I'm going to give my number here. I have to give my number with the country code. So I'll type 91. I don't have to give the plus sign and I will type my number. So this is the WhatsApp number that I want to receive the message in. Now these fields are for my variables and in this field, I have to map the details that I want to send on my WhatsApp number. And in the body field 1, what I need to give is, I need to give the name of my user that has submitted a quiz. So I'm going to map the name of the user that has submitted the quiz in ScoreApp. And I'm going to use the details that I have received from ScoreApp. And for that, I have to use mapping. And what mapping is a technique through which I can retrieve the data from the previous tabs. And the data that is changing will get replaced with the new data in the real time. So for mapping, I'm going to click here. I will open this response. And in this, I have the first name and the last name of my user. So first I'm going to map the first name. I will give a space and I will map the last name. So this will be the name of my user. And I'm mapping this in the field of my first variable. Now similarly, I have to map the email address of the user. For that, I will click here. I will open this ScoreApp quiz response. And in the last, I have this email address of my user. So I'm going to map this. So these details are going to change every time I get a new quiz submission. So I have filled all my details here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we can see we have received this new response. So this is a positive response, and this means that I have sent a notification on my WhatsApp that I have received a new submission in my ScoreApp. And to check this, let's go to WhatsApp. And here we can see that I have received this new message on my WhatsApp. Let me show you this message. So I'm going to open this. And I have this message that, hello, this user has submitted the quiz and the details are full name, demo user, email is demouser@pabblytudes.com. So this is the same message that I have in my template in WhatsApp Cloud API, and I have received the same message on my WhatsApp number. And here I have received the details of the user that has submitted the quiz that I have created in ScoreApp. So here my connection between ScoreApp and WhatsApp is working successfully, such that whenever a user is submitting a quiz on ScoreApp, then I'm getting the details of that user and the details of the quiz on my WhatsApp number as a notification. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we have created this connection between ScoreApp and WhatsApp Cloud API, such that whenever I'm receiving a new ScoreApp quiz submission, then automatically I'm capturing the details of that user that has submitted the quiz, and I'm sending a notification message on my WhatsApp number with those same details of the user. So let's summarize what we did here. So first I have set up my trigger, and my trigger application was ScoreApp, and my trigger event was quiz finished. Then I have set up my actions tab, and my action application was WhatsApp Cloud API, and my action event was send template message. So this is how I have successfully created this workflow, and you can also create this workflow by following all the steps that I did in my workflow. And I'm also going to put the link of my workflow in the description so you can check it out from there. And thank you for watching this video. Not just these applications, you can automate and integrate a lot more applications like this using Pabbly Connect. If you need any help or if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can post them at forum.pabbly.com, or if you have any issue with the pricing of Pabbly, you can connect on this link. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.